Welcome back to Worthington Model Railways, and just in time for Christmas, look what arrived. So I have not yet opened this. Let's open it up and take a look. So this is the new version of the GT3, and it does have DCC sound, so we will do a demo of the sound a little later. So what do I have in the box? I have something that says stop, read this. Yes, okay, got that. Service sheet. Set CZ155 for whistle or horn. So we have sound values here. So we'll see what we can do with that later. A little bit of information. So obviously this is the second iteration of this, and I believe it supposedly has a different front bogie that fixes some of the issues that were on the original. I missed out the first time around. So here we have some detail parts, pipes, and some discs. Look at those in a minute. And here it is. Moment of truth. Is it in one piece? Is it good? Let's see. There we have it. There we go, it's this end. Nicely packaged. That's the close coupling piece. So this is interesting. This is their new mechanism for coupling. It just works probably way better than some of the other manufacturers. We'll play with that in a minute. And here's the locomotive, very nice. Yeah, and I say they have changed this front bogie somewhat, so we'll see how that works. But fairly simple in terms of the locomotive, but has some nice detail in the cab there. I don't know. Let's see how my focusing is doing. We'll see if we can fit a driver in there at some point. Yep, I think you can see some of that detail in the cab. And these front steps are nice. Uh-oh. A bogie. Boy. Always something, isn't there? Okay, well, we'll have to see if we can get that stuck back on. Buffer came off. Okay. Let's look at the tender. Again, fairly simple, but lots of very fine detail on here. And okay, so we'll get it on the rolling road and on the programming track, and we can listen to the sounds, and hopefully I can get this refitted. For those of you that maybe want to stop the video and read, this will give you a little bit of information and the history. And for those of you who don't want to read, this was built 1960, between 58 and 61 as a demonstrator, and that tender carried kerosene for the generator. So here we are on the programming track. I just used my NC power cab to assign a number to this, and let's see if she works. Yeah, it looks to run quite nicely here. That's forward. Let's reverse it. Slow down nicely. Reversing. Okay, let's test some sounds here. So I need to get my list of sounds. See what we get here. So it looks like function 0 is the directional lights. Just 1 second here. Says the lights are on. I think I can see them on. Let me reverse it. And hopefully we'll now see the red lights. Yep, I think that's working as expected. And there are the white lights. Okay. Turn the lights off. And let's start with function 1, which should be the gas turbine drive. Take it as we speed up. Looks like it can be changed to a horn by setting a different CV, but right now we have the whistle. Okay, let's slow down a bit. F4 will be a buffering. We should have a coupling hook. Nope. F5 should be a brake dump. F6 should be the foot plate door. F8 is the toilet discharge. And F9 is a variable speed flange squeal. So I'm thinking we're going to have to be moving. F10 is a dispatch whistle. F13 is a standard. F18 is a speed detonator. I suppose you have to be running. Seems to be about it. F20 says it will disable the directional lights, but so that's fine for the moment. Okay, so that's pretty much our sounds. Let's run this on the layout. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this look at the GT3. Certainly is running very well. That front bogie runs perfectly, and I'm very pleased with it. Sound may drive you nuts after a while, but that's the way it is. Anyway, if you like the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Subscribe button to top right, another video top left.